What do you think about the new ID system? What are the reasons to implement this new ID system?
Let me help you. Yesterday them pass it in a parliament, so it is already in a 18 months time. I get to understand, say, all the citizens of Jamaica, we are going to be receiving a form of identification which is fulfilling a prophecy which I read in the Bible. You don't know straight, Rasta burn them thing there. We show all of them something in the pit of hell, in the fire, we burn all of them something here.
Man, I talk about a railway and a Babylon system and railway and all of that. I don't like say Babylon system. I just see game, easier way out. Every man of it know, say, you don't know. Nothing wrong with a man identify himself clear and properly. Man, to clean see away. A real thing.
I and I, man, dash that in the lake of fire. We burn all we belongs to the devil. We burn all we have for Satan. And we burn all who support the devil.
We forget the new ID when the Prime Minister said we forget, because when we go to embassy, we have to teleport a line. When we go to America, we have to do the yes, we can't do nothing about it, so guess what, free country, and the Prime Minister know what am I do. That's what I said that me mean.
No, I don't need it. I don't need it. I really don't need it. I'm alright.
These kind of things need to be rebellious. Them a time we have to be rebellious. Them kind of something we have to rebel about. You know, see it because...
And stop for a fight and rebel against one another.
Against one another. Because right you know, I'm going to read them things in the Bible, you know, so we're going to receive them things and them things is not from the Almighty God, them things is from the devil. Because if you understand, so you're going to even receive a microchip where you're going to no need to spend money again, you're going to just scan your hand and you receive your goods. And we read about that in the Bible, say the mark of the beast that and them things there, the devil works.
If they want to take your DNA, I don't say nothing about that, but then gone all the rectum, that's on out of context. Yo.
According to the process of this thing, I man read that in the Bible, say them things are did happen, so it's like them things are happen you know.
In the realest way, what will it contribute to Jamaica? What are the cause and effects?
You just buy your ticket for hell. You understand? And that it contribute to Jamaica.
Well, I think I want a good idea because
every day somebody did it. So you have to think about that. Think about the crime first. Bigger problem more than what?
See it.
You understand?
True.
in a less than a second, you can track them down and easily find them.
Put away the foolishness, man. Yeah.
This a bad up. Yeah, man, diplomatical bad up. Bullyism. Them say it's the United States of America that fund this thing because this thing is a plan for every country on earth, every single person on earth must have the ID something by the time the year 2030. The United Nations, that are the USA are the head of it. Well, I am here say I fund Jamaica. I am here say give our Prime Minister the money if we do this. So the USA they're behind this thing. So from anyone say I and I, them should have known say. I and I say bond that. I want should even have to ask me say what you say about it. And you say I should have known say. I and I say dash that in hell.
Free but with dummy. It's a whole lot of things because you see this English language, trust me, it was designed to keep it under bondage. You understand me? Keep us down. This ID thing is really not good for us. The thing is, the most I give us free, give us a choice to choose.
Yeah, and a wise power time. Not wisdom, wise power, vision and overstanding. We are the head, we are royalty. And listen people, remember it was 13 tribes, not 12. And they gave us names, yeah? So they can tell where we are. Bahamians, Mexicans, Indians, Jamaicans, etc. Aborigines. So listen, so you see my brothers and sisters, my princes and empresses out there, look into yourself and stop, you know, stay in a box. This segregation thing, enough is enough. It's time for unity. It's time for all the 13 tribes to be unified. Yeah. Our eyes are open now. Yeah, and we finish with the nonsense. Just finish with the foolishness. Yeah, government of Jamaica, that they call Jamaica. Listen, it's Yah, the all-powerful. All the other names in the world, sham.
$100,000 I have to pay if you don't want to accept it.
Make sure you subscribe to Justin Day channel.
Yeah, make sure you subscribe, yeah? Bless it.